Here we are again, looking for stuff in my inbox, and where is it but over here in my spam folder again. Fox News, Dustin Nemos, World Alternative Media, Judicial Watch, LBC, that's London British. Anyhow, it's the radio station, channel, whatever, from United Kingdom. Silver Doctors, RV Geeks. I mean, almost nothing that I would put in here. YouTube, Donald Trump, Yankee Prepper, Donald Trump. None of this stuff is spam. I'm clicking it to put it down. Here's another Donald Trump. Why would they think Mr. Teslonian? I don't know why they put him in here too. Florida Marquis, Swedish Homestead, Dustin Nemos. Boy, they really just packed it this time. Pratt Family Homestead, Richie from Boston, oh, Sarah Westall, Dabu, City Prepping. They were just having a good old time today. They just filled it. Tactical Rifleman, High Impact Flex, Peter Schiff, Really Big Monkey, he's another prepper guy. Dirt Patch Heaven, that's a homesteader, an American homestead. Gregory Manarino, this is why I went looking for it, because Gregory always has one in the morning, and there was no Peter Schiff. His was missing, so I came over to my spam folder. Linda's Pantry, she's another prepper. Road to Ruta. Boy, they just put everything over here in my spam folder today. Financial Turmoil, We Are Change, Russian Insight. I still had over 100 emails in my inbox, but it was all junk. Fox News, Judicial Watch. Don't care for a couple of these, but they are prepper, supposedly right wing. Willow Creek Homestead, Silver Report Uncut. I do like that one. Tiny Home Tours. Oh yeah, that could be a real threat. Mark Dice, Serious Survivor. The Texas Boys, they're homesteaders. Harshman Hills, they're homesteaders. Off Grid with Doug and Stacy, homesteaders. John Siskovich, she's a gardener. Deep South Homestead. Lumna Acres is a homesteader. RT, that's Russia. See, that's the problem. It's Russia. Monaco 64, Financial. High Impact Flex. Boy, they just had a good old time. Greg Hunter, Jeremiah Babby, Blanco Lirio. How they threw Blanco Lirio in there. Maybe he had an update on the Oroville Dam that didn't please him. Resistance Chicks, Easy 2 Tips and Tricks. I don't know why he got thrown in the bunch. Silver Doctors, I guess they just wanted to get rid of everybody. Money GPS, I cannot believe it. Slightly Rednecked, pure living for life. They're not political in any sense. Scotty Kilmer is an automotive tech guy. Chris Ann Hall, you may know her. Reluctant Preppers. See, the reason I'm doing this is to show the bias. This is Yahoo. Coyote Works, Prepared Mind 101. Trade Genius, Deep South Homestead, Small Gold, Delaware Prepper, Deplorables Army. Uh-oh, what happened to all of those I had clicked? All of a sudden they're gone. Oh my goodness, I clicked all of those so that I could put them in my not spam, and now all of a sudden they've unclicked them. This is the craziest thing. Well, I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll click all of them. Let's see if I can click all of them in the all box. There we go. And now I'll call the entire 100. And this was just yesterday and today. I'm going to call all of them not spam. And let them move the entire thing back to my email. Oh, I don't know if you were able to see any of this. Oh, in my camera it's not even showing up. What in the world is going on here? I guess I'm not holding my camera very well. You may have missed that entire thing, huh? Well, 149 in my inbox. Nope, they didn't all come over. Oh, wait a minute. How many is in my inbox now? 149. Where did they go? Hit my spam again. And I've got 137 emails in my spam folder. They didn't move them over to my... Oh, this is so much fun. So, if anybody thinks it's just one Facebook or one Google or whatever, this is Yahoo Mail. See that? I don't know if you can see it. Yes, it's Yahoo Mail. Excuse me. And this is who is messing it up. I'm going to try this again. Let's see if I can click. Okay. Wait, they said there was 137. Now they're just doing 100. Okay, let's see if I can move 100 emails not spam. Okay, it appears I've now got 250 in my inbox. Let's take all of these spam. I don't know how many are left here, but we will see. I'm going to click all of them and call all of them. Oh, there's 37 more. Yep, that sounds right. Put them as not spam. And it looks like we have only 237 in here, and I thought 137 came from my... Oh boy. Okay, inbox. Okay, much better. 287 now in my inbox. Great, now I get to go through all of these again and get rid of anything that's not. Let's see. Spam folder is empty. Good. Okay. Just documenting what Yahoo is up to. They're trying to censor, just like Facebook, just like YouTube, just like everything else. I knew there was something missing in my inbox, but I had no idea it was that bad. Okay, guys, take care. This is, what day is it? It is Friday, May 31st, about noon. Bye-bye.